Hello, welcome to my latest Jurassic World video. Today I figured I'd do some Cretaceous unboxing since the new season is on Netflix now here in the UK. Let's start with the SINOCERATOPS. It's a Primal attack sound strike. Here's the front of the box. As you see, the front of the box has the Cretaceous logo on it, some Netflix information, and some characters from the series. Alright, let's take them out and have a look around the figure. As you see, when you move the tail, the head moves and it makes various sounds. It has a really nice paint scheme on its frill and face. It is a code that you can scan on Jurassic World Facts. It's a really cool figure, it's a nice addition to my collection. I like the texture on its head. Thank you for watching my video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.